Pasta. It's more than just food. It's comfort, tradition, and a culinary adventure in every bite.
All the mama used to cook, although the smell inebriated.
But have you ever wondered how your favorite pasta goes from a handful of simple ingredients to the delicious shapes that end up on your plate? Today on Curious Constructs, we're taking you inside the world of pasta making, revealing the artistry, precision, and hidden secrets behind every single noodle. Let's get cooking. The journey of pasta is as rich as its taste. While its exact origin is debated, with theories reaching back to ancient Greece and even Marco Polo's travels to China, pasta truly became an Italian icon in the 13th century. By the 1800s, Naples was booming with pasta shops, and thanks to the Industrial Revolution, pasta transformed from handmade, time-consuming work to a worldwide phenomenon. Today, pasta isn't just a dish, it's a global obsession.
Thanks to the knowledge that has been growing for centuries, everybody in Gragnano knows what is a pasta and what is a good pasta and how to produce good pasta.
Turning wheat into pasta involves careful control, dedication, and innovation. This isn't just mixing and boiling, it's an art form honed over centuries. From ingredient selection to drying techniques, each step has a purpose, ensuring the pasta you buy is of perfect quality and taste.
It's absolutely not that easy to make it in the right way.
So, let's roll up our sleeves and see how pasta factories balance tradition and technology in every single batch. Loving this deep dive? Don't forget to hit subscribe and join us on Curious Constructs for more behind-the-scenes looks at the products you love. At the heart of any great pasta is a simple yet precise combination: semolina flour and water. Semolina, made from high-protein durum wheat, is the gold standard, giving pasta its firmness and that signature al dente texture we all crave.
The durum wheat is much more hard and is much more
But there's no
difficult.
one-size-fits-all when it comes to ingredients. Some recipes add fresh eggs for a rich golden color and added flavor. High-quality producers even go as far as sourcing specific wheat strains, ensuring that only the best grains make the cut.
Try this.
That is what you get when you mill durum wheat. It's very granular.
Yes.
It's coarser.
Did you know? Durum wheat is one of the hardest varieties, with a density that holds up perfectly to boiling. It's nature's ideal ingredient for pasta. Next up, it's time to bring these ingredients together. Giant industrial mixers combine semolina and water to form a dense, workable dough. This isn't a quick stir. This dough needs to be kneaded to develop gluten, which gives pasta its stretchy texture and resilience during cooking. Imagine the dough spinning, kneading, stretching, almost like a dance, bringing out the best of each ingredient. Once it's just right, the dough is ready for shaping, with just the right firmness to withstand shaping and drying. Ever tried making pasta from scratch at home? Drop your best tips in the comments. Now for the magic of shapes. The dough is fed through extrusion machines equipped with custom-designed dies. Each die creates a specific pasta shape, from spaghetti to fusilli, from penne to farfalle. And it's more than just a look. These shapes are designed to enhance flavor, catch sauce, Some Italian factories use solar energy to dry and package their pasta, combining quality with eco-friendly practices. Pasta production has environmental impacts, from water usage to energy consumption. But the industry is changing. Today, many factories are adopting renewable energy, using recycled packaging, and even sourcing wheat from sustainable farms. By focusing on eco-friendly practices, pasta makers are working to ensure that the dish we all love doesn't come at a high cost to the planet. Would you pay a little more for sustainably sourced pasta? Let us know your thoughts below. And that's the journey, from raw wheat to the pasta aisle. Each step is a mix of tradition, science, and a lot of care. So next time you're twirling spaghetti or spooning penne onto your plate, remember the story behind every bite. If you love this pasta journey, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know what other foods or products you'd like to see here on Curious Constructs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next deep dive.